In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert MOV to MP4. If you've ever tried to share a video and run into playback issues, converting from MOV to MP4 is a quick way to make your file more compatible with phones, browsers, and social platforms. MP4 is widely supported and often results in smaller file sizes without a noticeable drop in quality. We'll keep this simple and follow 4 clear actions so you can get it done smoothly. First, upload your MOV file. Open your preferred converter. This can be an online tool you trust or a desktop app you already have installed. Make sure your MOV file is easy to find, then either drag and drop it into the upload area or use the upload button to browse to it. If you're using a web tool, keep your browser tab open and your internet connection stable while the file uploads. Larger videos will take longer, so be patient and avoid putting your device to sleep. If privacy is a concern, pick a reputable tool and consider using a local app instead of a website. Next, select MP4 as the output format. Look for the format drop-down or preset list and choose MP4. Most tools will default to common settings like H.264 video and AAC audio, which are widely compatible. If you see resolution or quality options, sticking close to your original resolution usually gives the best results. Remember, picking a higher resolution than your source won't improve quality, and extreme compression can make your video look blocky. If you're unsure, leave the defaults as they are. They typically balance quality and file size well. Now click Convert. This is the point where the tool gets to work. You'll likely see a progress bar or a time estimate. Try not to multitask heavily on your device if you're using a desktop app, as it can slow the process. On the web, avoid refreshing the page or switching networks. If your file is very large, give it time. Interrupting the process may force you to start over. Finally, download your file. When the conversion finishes, choose a clear save location and consider renaming the file so you can easily tell it apart from the original. Before you share it, open the MP4 and play a few sections to check video clarity, audio sync, and that the entire clip is present. Keep the original MOV as a backup until you're completely satisfied. That's it. Upload, select MP4, convert, and download. With these steps, your video should be ready to play almost anywhere.